Scenic spots in Gansu offer half-price entry in off-peak season. Dunhuang City in northwest China's Gansu province officially launched 2025 to 2026 winter-spring off-peak season tourism discount program on Monday.
我们也是看这个门票半价才来这个鸣沙山体验的。今天呢，天气也非常好，我们赶上早上的日出。
今天过来想看一下这边跟我们南方不太一样的景色，看起来还是蛮震撼的。
And will offer discounts during the off-peak season from December 1st this year to March 31 next year to attract more visitors. The first batch of visitors has already taken advantage of the lower price tickets at the Mingsha, Mountain and Crescent Spring Scenic area. Additionally, students and seniors aged 60 to 69 will enjoy further discounts, while seniors aged 70 and above, veterans, and police officers will receive free admission. Furthermore, the number of open caves at the Mogao Grottoes has increased from 8 to 10, with additional caves now accessible to educational groups, accompanied by experienced guides.